I decided to pursue a career in Nutrametrix for two reasons, really. I've always been, very interested in having a proactive approach to my health and the health of my family. But when it came to TLS and Nutrametrix, and how I could marry that with business, it was a perfect fit, really. And it's sort of also, the idea of how can you reach more people? And so for me, TLS and Nutrametrix was definitely the way to do that.
The most important piece, truly, is that I am changing lives. And that is truly the authentic piece.
So the education, the personal growth, and understanding how we can literally, and that's happening, is change people's lives by preventing a lot of the things. That's one of the biggest things for me.
In the 10 years that I've been affiliated with Nutrametrix, I have seen such incredible leaps in the program as I've seen America's healthcare system declining. I think our mission here is bigger than just creating a business for yourself or creating individual wellness, and I think the key is America's health professionals shifting the conversation from a sick care, sick system to wellness, prevention, personal responsibility, everything that Nutrametrix advocates. This is a mission that can fundamentally change the way that America is health-wise, and it's huge.
We know that health professionals value patient care and wellness, and so we want to make sure that our Nutrametrix consultants and health professionals have an advantage over this unfortunate broken healthcare system. We want to make sure that they are able to move their patients into wellness with Nutrametrix.
Well, my favorite thing about working with Nutrametrix is that it's very professional. It's business to business. It is all about health, and that's a huge thing for me, health and wellness. And I think it's important for people in the medical field, health professionals, to be able to offer wellness solutions to their patients.
My favorite part about Nutrametrix is the professional development. I think that Nutrametrix has the most comprehensive trainings and systems in the entire company. It really just makes a lot of sense when you can plug into it.
I learned very quickly when I opened up my own franchise that my warm market of contacts was not so warm. So I discovered Nutrametrix about a month into opening up my own franchise. And I loved the idea of being able to take the unfranchised business and work it business to business.
You never get bored. Every practice is going to have unique needs, unique goals, unique patient base, and unique product requirements. So working with Nutrametrix, you get to go out and customize a program for each individual practice and find what works for them.
And we give them the opportunity to go back to their original vision and become the healers they always wanted to be. And that's really fun to help them have their dreams back.
We have quite a few health professionals in our organization that we work with. In fact, that is probably the bulk of my organization right now. And what we've seen through the amount of individuals that a health professional can simply touch through our products and protocols, we have seen enormous growth, not just in health and wellness, but also in our income. We've seen some really dramatic positive shifts. It's been extraordinary.
My organization has so many leaders in these divisions, and with Nutrametrix and TLS, and these are billion-dollar markets, and they are our largest markets.
TLS Weight Loss Solution is really how I started to grow my personal business. So that really was the thing that I could recognize and brand myself around. I knew I could help people one-on-one, and when you marry that with Nutrametrix and being able to bring that into a health practitioner's office, that explosion literally took my business from professional coordinator to national supervising coordinator. TLS has impacted my family, my friends, myself, my own health, and then in turn that really was the thing that just took it up a notch and was very duplicatable. Nutrametrix is incredibly duplicatable, as is TLS, and the two married together really exploded my business and is how I intend to keep growing it.